Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So in the last class we had completed the first two stages of data science project life cycle, that is data collection and data preparation. Friends, in this class we are going to discuss this third stage of data science project's life cycle, that is data analysis. So what is data analysis? The name itself conveys the meaning. We need to analyze the data. Okay, what we need to analyze? What is there to analyze? Let us discuss. So, after preparing the required data properly in all respects, we need to analyze the data and their relationships with each other. This is the important point. What to analyze? The available data and their relationships with each other columns, how each columns are related to each other, what relation is there, whether it is correlated or not, how what is the strength of correlation, whether it is categorical variable or continuous variable. All those things we need to analyze, friends. Okay, so if we are simply browsing the data for analysis, we are not going to uh, grasp the full picture of full grip about the data, friends, because if there are some lakhs of records, but the simple browsing and seeing all this data will be very much difficult. That's why we make use of the graphical uh, visualizations to analyze the data, friends. So for that purpose, we will analyze the data with the help of data visualization plots, graphs and diagrams, friends. Okay, so one diagram conveys much more meaning effectively, quickly, when compared to some thousands of words and sentences, friends. Our human mind has the capability to grasp the diagrams more when compared to the written statements or spoken words. So that's why always visualization plays very important role in analysis, friends. So that's why we make use of data visualization plots. So the aim of data analysis is to select proper data and proper model to build which satisfies our requirement. Very important point. What is the aim of the data analysis? The third stage of data science project life cycle. What is the aim? Means, so after completion of this data analysis, you must be in a position to select the proper data for modeling and to choose proper model, appropriate model to build, because there are number of models, number of machine learning algorithm models are there. So as per your business requirement, what we are going to accomplish, you have to define all those things in the initial stages, inception stages itself. Then you came to data collection. Then after completing the data collection, you came to the data preparation stage. And then after data preparation completions is completed, then you will come to data analysis. In the data analysis, your target is to find uh, the suitable data, okay, and the suitable model which satisfies your business requirement. So all these things you need to analyze in this data analysis, friends. So this is the brief theory about the data analysis stage. Let us see the scope of tools which we are going to use at this stage. Okay, so we make use of the data visualization libraries of Python, the fantastic data visualization libraries we have in the Python ecosystem, friends. That is Matplotlib, very very famous data visualization library. It's also open source. And the pandas, we had already saw the pandas, and pandas is also open source. Cban is also high level interface to the is data visualization plots, friends. So we had already saw these pandas and cban in our last pandas tutorials and cban tutorial. So we doesn't made a tutorial on matplotlib because we made tutorials on cban, because cban is advanced to matplotlib, which is a high level interface and high level attractive data visualization plots we can draw with this cban, friends. That's why I made tutorials on the cban instead of matplotlib, even though cban is built on the top of matplotlib, friends. Okay, so these are the libraries we should make use of to do data analysis. So these are the some of the plots which we are going to plot in order to know, in order to analyze the things, friends. So that is SNS means we are aliasing the cban library after importing as SNS. Then after SNS we are calling the appropriate plot. So reg plot means regression plot. It's used to know the regression, whether it is whether the two variables or numerical variables you have to plot for the regression plot. So how the two variables are related, whether it is correlated or not. If it is correlated, the correlation is positive correlation or negative correlation, the regression line will come. And the lm plot means linear model plot, and it is similar to the reg plot. The line plot, so one line will come, okay, in the output of the plot on line will come, which is the which goes to the data points between the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so for linear or non-linear plots, the line plot will be good, and the scatter plot is also there. So uh, the scatter plot doesn't shows the line, but it shows the data points, spread of data points between x-axis, x variable, and y variable. So on the giant plot, so it is a good plot. So it's a combination of lm plot and the histogram of x variable and y variable on the top and side, friends. And then the pair plot is a very very powerful plot, friends. It will take all the numeric variables into the consideration your data set and plot each combination of uh, columns which consists of numerical variable, friends. Okay, all possible combinations it will plot, and in at once you can verify, you can analyze the all the columns relationship, all the numerical columns relationship with each other, friends. So it's a very very powerful plot. And then the box plot, it's also called whisker plots. So it is very much used to uh, detect the outliers and the distribution of data, friends. So it's generally used between a categorical variable and the numerical variable, friends. And the bar plot also, so one variable should be categorical and another variable should be numerical. Bar plots, we it's a famous plot. So everybody knows this bar plot. In the cricket scoreboards it will appear, right? So many places it will appear, the bar plot and the point plot. These are all the estimate plots. The heat map is used to visualize the strength of the correlation, okay, with the color gradations. So like that there are so many plots are there. We discussed all those plots very very detailedly in the our cban tutorials, friends. If you have any doubt, you please go back and refer our cban tutorial. Okay, so you can get the idea. I had already made the tutorials for pandas and cban. You please check it out, friends. So this is all about data analysis stage, which is the third stage in the data science project's life cycle. And in the next class, we will discuss the next stage, the fourth stage, which is model building, friends. Okay, till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.